Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix if you are unable to install this update, that is KB5035942 in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to set app readiness service to run automatically. To do this, go to search menu and type services, click on open it, search for app readiness service. You just need to double click on it and startup type set to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, right click on the app readiness service and select restart. Now you can try to update your Windows 11 and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to move the WinRE agent folder to different location. To do this, you just need to open up File Explorer and go to local disk C. Click on the View tab on here and select Show and select checkmark Hidden Items. Now you can able to see the folder WinRE agent. You just need to right click on it and just copy and paste it in the desktop. We just take the backup of this folder. Now you can delete this folder guys. Go back to the folder and right click on it and delete it. After deleting this folder, now you can try to update your Windows 11. After updating your Windows 11, you can put this folder back in C drive. If the problem is not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to run a Windows Update Troubleshooter. To do this, go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Comes up a troubleshoot setting, click on open it. Select other troubleshooters. Select Windows Update Troubleshoot to run. After finishing this, you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. Search for Windows Update service. Just double click on it and startup type set to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you need to right click on it and select restart. After doing this, search for background intelligent transfer service. Double click on it. Startup type set to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now right click on it and select restart. Now you can try to update your Windows 11 and check if the problem solved or not. If you still can't update your Windows 11, then let's move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution is to use here Windows 11 installation assistant. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down. You can able to see Windows 11 installation assistant. Select the download now option and download it. After getting download done, click on it and run it guys. If you have any pending update, this will help you to update and install it guys. You can able to see the option over here, update or install option. You need to select it and update your Windows 11. After updating it, your problem will be solved guys. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.